Come in.
I suppose you're Jerin.
I suppose you are right.
Well, I heard you can fix me some gear.
That is correct. But first, leave the gun inside.
Okay.
Then let me see what I can do for you. And you know what? Why don't you sit back on the bench? I think I found what you are looking for. Try it on.
Is this supposed to be a joke? I came here for good stuff.
I'm happy to hear that. Then let me show you the good stuff.
Hello guys, I'm Karel, this is Jerin.
And we are going to talk rigs.
But Jerin, this is a backpack.
The backpack is for the next video. You silly! I'm interested what's inside.
Oh.
Well done, Karel. Tell me, what is wrong with your rig? No, show us. If you don't know what you are doing, I suppose you leave it to professionals. But in your luck today, the first I want to show you is this. High capacity, 5 rifle magazine pouches, 2 for the handgun and a little admin pouch. Take a look.
Not bad, but I need something more modular.
I was hoping you would ask about that. So how about some little high technology, a laser cut, admin pouch, plus the Velcro for your patches, as all the cool operators in the West do.
Not bad, I like this piece, but it's too small.
Too small? Well, then if you are looking for something in the middle, let me introduce you to the Jerin Chaikom rig.
Okay. This looks nice.
In total, 5 rifle magazine pouches as well, 2 pistol pouches, and you can remove them anytime, because this is not the common Chaikom you would encounter anywhere on the internet.
I see. Tell me something about it, Jerin. Where can I get this?
Well, in your workshop, because there is no way you can buy this at all.
Can I buy it?
We will see in the web. At first, when you buy your Chaikom rig, here will be grenade pouches. But who wants that? The grenades aren't produced anymore. What you want to do is take scissors, remove the pouches, and hand sew the molle system yourself on them. But that is not all, my friend. The classical Chaikom is tied to your back by just making a... well, you know what.
Yeah, I know.
English is funny, right?
Yeah.
But if you sew on these bad boys, it will never fall from you.
You are smart, Jerin.
My smartness doesn't end here, my brother. Because as you may know, all the tactical operators in the West use the radios.
Yeah.
And you need a little loop on the shoulder for the radio. So if you take a look, there we go. A little loop for the radio. So you can be an operator from the West.
That's nice. I see. What about those parts? Where you get them?
Don't ask about it.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. I found them
Of course.
on the dead guy.
Ah.
He was dead before I arrived.
Oi. Okay, my rig now.
So, Karel, why would anyone want to get this?
Well, it's easy to get, it's cheap, you can take it from a dead guy. Just, no, we don't support murder. It's easy, it's simple, and everybody can do it at home.
And you forgot the most important thing of tactical gear.
Huh?
To look stylish as fuck.
Ah, silly boy. Just, I'm not good at making rigs. You saw that on my beta rig, or what the shit I can call it.
I'm not going to show it again, you will puke. But Karel, let me ask you one final thing.
Yeah,
Any words to the people watching this?
I'm fat. You know why I said I'm fat? Because if you look at my back, Jerin tried to tie it, but
He was too fat,
yeah.
like a coconut.